How to use social commerce to boost your business. Simply put, social commerce is when someone uses social media platforms to sell their products and services right from the app. It makes the entire buying process a whole lot easier and helps customers find what they are looking for much faster. Not only will social commerce help your brand in gaining more exposure and brand awareness, it'll also go a long way in converting customers on the platforms that they love. What's more, it'll even make the reviews and recommendations pour in. And the best part? You can gather loads of relevant data that you can use to tweak your approach just right. Now that you know the many ways that social commerce can put the spotlight on your products and services, let's get right into how you can do it right. Here are 4 tips that'll help you build your social commerce strategy. 1. Know your customers. Really dig into their shopping behaviors, figure out what they're searching for on your site, and what could possibly be drawing them to your competitors. 2. Choose the right platforms. Choose your go-to platforms based on the go-to platforms of your target demographic. 3. Stay flexible. Always be prepared to evolve with social platforms, modern trends, and the needs of your customers. 4. Streamline the purchase point. Social commerce allows you to eliminate barriers between an ad and purchase. Exploring social platform options. As we mentioned before, you'll need to keep an eye out for the ideal social platforms, explore and pick the ones that suit your brand best. Does your brand need to be on Facebook, which offers business pages where you can share products, collect reviews and engage with your audience? Or would Instagram work better, where your company can create product catalogs that link directly to checkout? Maybe Snapchat is a better fit, where you can use location-based targeting to attract nearby customers. Or perhaps Pinterest, TikTok and YouTube would work like a charm, as they're all great social selling platforms with their very own crowd-pulling features. At the end of the day, remember that not every platform will be the right fit for your business, so be sure to monitor your analytics to make the right choice. If you want to learn more about social commerce and how it can bring your products into the social limelight, just visit Sprinklr.com.